Hi and welcome to a very special unboxing of Tonic Craft Kit number 6 with me and Paula Pascual.
Hello.
So we're going to have a little look inside and show you what you're getting in February's kit. So let's open.
Lovely.
Lovely. So yeah, lovely. If you can see just from the initial look, you got sort of aqua sort of tones and nice fresh colours for spring coming in here. And we're going to start with the papers because I know that's a big part of it for all of you. You love looking forward to these papers. So we'll go through them in order. So you've got a weave textured teal blue. And that's to start there. You've got a weave textured ocean blue. So these will make your essentials, as part of it. Then the next one we've got then is a pearlescent card navy dazzle. So that is a really nice shine on that.
Yeah, it is, and it's a beautiful, and it works really well with the matte textures of the weave texture, and then it has got that pearlescent shimmer through it, and it all die cuts beautifully.
And you can use all these, the specialty papers that we're going to show in a minute. You can use them sort of as little flourishes and little sort of signature little parts on there, and they really do create some awesome effects. So next up, we've got the specialty papers, which have become the hit of the kit so far. I think you've got, and this one is the deep sea dive.
Yes.
To start. So
it's like a sea. There's the ocean and those deep waters and the rippling effect.
Yeah, ripple. Yeah, so a lovely
effect,
sort of
wavy. Yeah.
And the colour's lovely. The cameras probably don't do it justice on you, but you're going to love them when they arrive with the kit. The next one we've got then is iced petals,
which has got that beautiful flowery sort of texture. And remember, you have got the double-sided, so you have got the pearlescent shimmer and color in one side, but the emboss effect powers through the other, and it's a plainer side, as like in this case is white, in this case is kind of dark, so you can customize and add a little bit of different colors if you wanted to. Yeah,
and these add a really good texture or different texture to your card as well. So it's all, if you are into mixing up your textures and styles on there, yeah, these are perfect for that. The next one we have, so is that duck-egg toil?
Duck-egg toil, yeah. So that has got a beautiful floral embossed subtle. It's a very subtle kind of engraved design or etched. And then we have got the...
this is a powder blue lace is the final.
Yes. So we have got two beautiful soft embossed or etched designs in there, and as well they do die cut really beautifully.
Yeah, so really nice, and that's all the cardstock that you're going to be getting in this, including the specialty card with that. So loads to look forward to, and again, loads of variety, and really looking forward to seeing the stuff that you're going to be creating with these. So there you go. You've got all of those. Next, there, I guess we'll go on to the dies now. Then, so
the dies.
There you go. You do the honors.
Yes.
So in the sort of spring theme, spring summer. It's a beautiful, so the name of it is the Butterfly Easel Creator die set. So if you love the Easel Creators, which a lot of you did, this is a butterfly signature one for that.
Oh, it's beautiful. So you are getting here, that's the base, I guess, for the Easel Creator. So, oh, look at that. And even, it's gonna be so beautiful. And you have got the verso as well, so you can cut an apertures into like the lace detail. You have got a standing out butterfly as well, so you can layer it on top. You can do a standalone solid in here. The same for the little ones. Oh geez, there's so much in there. And you have, one thing, this is really nice. You have the antennae separately, so you can add them if you want into a different color cardstock. So for a darker one, this will be amazing to color in with
next you got a set of glitter markers
in the normal. That will be amazing to color them, the butterflies.
Yeah, they go really well.
Yeah, so that's gonna be amazing.
If you haven't tried the glitter markers before, so they were probably launched around to this time last year at CHA, and yeah, they've been a big hit for Tonic, and yeah, some really nice sort of pastel colours. Yeah, Northern Lights is going to be beautiful.
Northern, it's going to work really well for these palettes.
Really well. Some other brand new stuff. So a lot of these products you may not have seen them anywhere before in China, and that's what we try and do with the kits, is put things in which ahead of time, so you don't have to wait until they're out in the shops or anything like that. We're giving you the sneak peek there ahead. So next up is the stamps.
The stamps, which I believe you can use in coordination with this butterfly, this die, so you could stamp and then die cut it. I believe they fit nicely. Yes, they do. Yeah. So then you have got the options, and then the little one as well in there. So, oh, this is so pretty. And you imagine to color them again with the glitter markers as well.
Yeah, so your stamps like that as well. Yeah, they come with your kit, and they'll slide in nicely into your folder, and you'll have those. But you can use them separately. You don't have to use them with the dies. Just create really cute little cards with those as well. So yeah, really pretty stamp set to go along with that. Now we've got your Nuvo covered in a big way. So we've got peacock feathers. So yeah,
the peacock feathers. Let me show you here. Oh my goodness. So you are getting a set of 4 different glitters, the pure sheen. So you're getting them in turquoise, green meadow, purple organza, and aqua. Isn't it just beautiful?
Coming a lovely set like that, and you've got those lovely little jars there, so you can have them on the side of your craft desk and just create. If you've never tried the glitters before, it's a great place to start, as anything is with the kit. You know, it gives you a bit of a dip into different parts of Tonic and the things that we do, so hopefully you're really going to enjoy them, and again work perfectly with the butterfly to create those colours.
Indeed they do.
So another brand new one.
Yes. So we have got here dimensional foam pads. Well, we know we need them all the time, and it's just so nice to have them. Now Craft Perfect on Tonic does them, because I go through them. They're like,
they are.
So it's nice to have Tonic Craft Perfect foam pads.
Little dimensional foam pads. Yeah, they create the perfect texture on the card, and that's the free gift this month. So the free gift is included. That is the Craft Perfect dimensional foam pads.
And you know you're going to use them.
You know you're going to go through them. They're essential.
And then 2 beautiful crystal drops.
One's a mini glitter drop, and then the other one is a mini jewel drop.
So you are getting the mini, the glitter one in Aqua Mist, and in the jewel drops in Sea Breeze. So you are getting like this turquoisey aqua sort of colors. The jewel one will give you that translucent effect, that sort of it's called the that sort of gemstone water droplets, and then the aquatic mist has got that really sparkle inside.
And although they are sort of a sample smaller size, they do last, and you will have a a good few crystal drops and drops out of those. So
and also, the top is the same size, so I always recommend to keep them, even if you have, and then clean it up, and you have got the replacement for the other ones.
Yeah,
I need to do a tutorial on that.
Good tip. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, good tip of that. And finally, then you have your Tonic Craft Kit sticker, then, which you can stick to the box or stick to your folder or wherever you guys are sticking them. Hopefully, you're enjoying them as part of the kit.
And also, it's an inspiration on how to color the butterflies.
Yeah.
So you could just follow those kind of sort of colors in, and just I like that.
Yeah, I do like designed up really nice by our design team there. So yeah, that is February's kit, Craft Kit number 6. I hope you're all excited. A lot of you will be receiving your January kit now, and you'll be enjoying them. We'll have inspiration to go along with all of these as well, which will be included on a letter which we send you, which gives you a link to the page. But if not, just visit toniccraftkit.co.uk. and you can find all that inspiration there from a load of our design team. So from me and Paula, we'll see you soon, and have a great day.
I'm taking that away with me.
Yeah, take that away with you.